My name is Mayela Mercado, and we took Civic Oak South and Kincaid. The best part was they have many time for us to take the best decision. We have many options. Well, for me, you can see the home models, and you can be the difference between one others. I don't know. Well, that's it.
So selections.
Selections. Get the best realtor. They're going to have the nice time for you. Do the double check, and they are with many time and ability for you to take your best home.